Hello guys, this is Dr. Cool Fix. Today I am making a further inspection on this BMW X6 2008 model. Uh, just about 2.5 weeks ago, I worked on this car and I have visited different garage and they couldn't resolve the AC issue. So right now I've resolved it and I called them for reinspection, which I do after 2 weeks time, and the system is working very fine, and that really makes me happy. So today, bringing it back, they're requesting for more service, like to know why the front is having some rattling noise and the exhaust pipe is blocked, which is one of the main reasons why I'm doing this video today. So how do we know that the system exhaust is blocked? First thing that I want to do here is I want to check some of the sensors in the system and make sure that they're in their good healthy state. So right now I have got my scan tool connected already. So I'm going to be doing system selection. Okay, I'm going to be going to drive. Okay, I'm going engine control margin. So let me take a look at know exactly what is going on the engine. Okay, it told me, so the VIN number, blah blah blah. Okay, you can see right here. So let's say yes. Okay, so go to read fault codes. Okay, now the first thing I'm seeing there is BSD data bus communication fault, then DME injector calibrator plausibility. Okay, then we have number 3. Come on, baby. Okay, so this is just pretty much the 3 code. Then the turbocharger boost pressure too low. Okay, the turbocharger DME turbocharger pressure boost too low. Okay, that's number 1. That pressure low, I think that is one of the main thing why when I step on the gas pedal like this, when the car is moving, it does have a very low response, a slow response. So aside that, I'm also noticing that one of the tailpipe is blocked. So I'm going to be going down right now to go and take a very good look at it and show you how to detect if you have a blocked tailpipe exhaust. Then in this video I'm going to be fixing this tailpipe, and some of that issue I'm actually trying to do right now is to cost how much it's going to do to get all those things back, as much as replacing the front strut. So let's go to the back. Let me show you how to perform that test and know if one of your exhaust system is blocked. In order to test that, so this is the first one here. Should be waving like a flag. You see it's waving like a flag. Alright, now let's check the other side. You can see it doesn't even move at all. So if this thing is working fine, it should be moving. Now let's go over to this side here. You can see it right there. It's waving like a flag. So the right side of the tailpipe of this car is blocked. Okay, the right side is blocked. So there is a very huge downpour of UV outside, and it's really hot outside. Really downpouring. So here right now, the turbo under boost, I'm gonna be sharing the information with you guys who are new to turbo under boost. And the turbo of this car, it's not in a very simple location, it's so much high hidden. So let me go to the hood there and let's see if we can find where the turbo is. Okay, you can see the AC pipe all sweating really hard. So that's what I want to see. So where is the turbo at? The turbo is hidden somewhere right there. It's very hot. So any day I'm going to be needing to work on this engine, it's going to be completely cold. down to earth before I can start working on it. But right here I could see the reason why there is a low boost in the turbo, and the heat coming out of this very place is really high. So that's the turbo line right there that goes to the intake manifold that is somewhere here where the filter is. The injector implausible. We're needing to lose this place to be able to check it. So today what I'm actually doing is general inspection to be able to see where the problem could be coming from. One of my greatest happiness here is the successful fix of the AC system that later brought these ones back. You can see how I clean up the condenser, looking like a brand new one. So that's exactly how I deal with most cars. For most of you who knows the cleaning that I do, so you can tell there is a big difference between here and here. My cleaning solution always works very great. So okay, we're back in the car. So with every information which I've gotten so far, is probably to know the next line of action which I'm going to be doing to make my estimate based on what I see. So I need to go back more to my computer and see, aside the engine control module, the electronic control module of the engine, the ECU, if there is any other thing I'm going to see there. So the sun is really heating up. Let me increase the... Okay, so I'm gonna go back and check other modules, or possibly let's check the health report and see what we got there. So this one right here, you can see the code that is bringing up already. Okay, on the transmission we have a code on the transmission. We got a code on the transmission, so maybe also will be contributing to why the system is having a slow throttle response. Let it finish scanning. Is really fast. I love BMW so much, guys. Seriously, see how really fast it's communicating with my scan tool to perform a complete health check. Okay, so this is what we got right here. These are all the problems that's plaguing this guy. The transmission message, car receive EGS transmission. You can see that history message from a car to the body bus 40. That's okay. VTG supply control unit terminal 30 supplied terminal 30G. All-wheel drive home limp home activated, no DSC specified. So there's a lot of okay, the gas selector switch on the voltage. So what's gonna happen here is, so I'm gonna be clearing most of this fault code so I can be able to see which one is which. Let's know which is which. Tony Stark. Okay, air condition. No message, battery voltage received. Specification flap motor right. Okay, ventilation flap left. I did it because here I'm not getting enough air as I'm getting from the middle here. The middle is blowing, blasting really well. So I think this is all there is to it. And as for the rear heater, I'm not going that side. So guys, pretty much this is just the overall health check which I'm performing on this car. So let me go ahead and I can clear up the details, though I still do it sometimes, and see what happens. You know, clear it while the engine is on, but I don't think it's advisable. It's always better that you should shut the engine down before you clear the fault code. So pretty much this is where I'm going to be stopping this video for now. Every other thing is going to be actualization of what I've discovered here so far, and getting them solved. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. This is Dr. Fix. Hope to catch you guys later. Bye for now.